Okay, question 29, year 2022 PSLE paper. This is paper 1, booklet B, question 29, pattern question. Actually, a whole number question because we are looking at 15 letters here in the pattern A, B, A, C, A, B, A, C, A, B, A, C, A, and so on and so forth. And the question says here, the letter A appears 137 times in the pattern. So what's the greatest possible number of letters in the pattern? So the pattern is formed using these letters. The first 15 letters are shown, so you have to find what's the repeating pattern. Then you have the letter A appears 137 times in the pattern. The question asks for the greatest possible number of all the letters in the pattern. Okay, so there are 15 letters here. And you can see that you have A, B, A, C, and then one more A, as this is one group, one repeating group. You can check it A, B, A, C, A, and one repeating unit, and then A, B, A, C, A, one repeating unit. So you can see that in one unit of the repeating group of letters, there are altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. And each time of each unit, each group, okay, in one unit or one group of repeating unit, let me say one group, maybe easier, of repeating unit of letters, you should see 3 A's. So here says, what is the greatest possible number of letters in the pattern? So if I use 137 divided by 3, I should find this is total number of A's. So when I use 137 divided by 3, oops, I've got 45 remainder 2. So what does 45 remainder 2 means? It means that you have 45 groups of 3 A's and then plus 2 extra A. Plus 2 extra A's. Now, you want to get to the greatest possible number of letters in the pattern, that is all the letters. So you have 45 groups of 5 letters. And 2 extra A's. So if you look at, say for example, this unit, you have 2 extra A's. So which means I have 1 extra A here. After, so let's say, so this is the final group, 45th group. Let's say this is the 45th group. Then the next one will be 46th group. But we don't have enough to make the 46th group. You have only 2 extra A's. So the 2 possible extra A's will be these 2, and you cannot be taking the next A, which is this one. You can't be taking the next A. So, but you want the greatest possible number of letters, so you are going to stop right here, letter C. So 45 group of letters plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more letters for the entire group, which will mean 45 times 5, 225 plus 4, there will be 229 letters altogether. That's the greatest possible number of letters in the pattern. Okay, so let's run through the ideas of pattern questions. First of all, you need to find the repeating unit. How many parts for one unit? It could be shapes, it can be numbers, it can be letters. So once you find that unit, find out how many parts are there in that one group of rotating unit, followed by usually is either division. And the key thing is, can you understand the quotient and the remainder after you do the division? Okay, so that's question 29, year 2022, paper 1, booklet B.